Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on the Bitcoin. Today we have seen that the price action of Bitcoin was moving in a symmetrical triangle. In here we had a fake breakdown, and after that the Bitcoin gave us a surprise and re-entered in the triangle, and now it is breaking out the resistance of this triangle, because it happens in such situations whenever we have the fake out. After the fake out, if the price action moves back in the triangle or in the pattern, it breaks down the support, and in case of fake breakdown, it re-enters in the triangle or pennant, and after that it breaks out the resistance. At this time we don't have the confirmation that the price action has really broken out this resistance of the triangle. However, at this time we can see that we have a very strong bullish candlestick that is trying to break out this resistance of the triangle. This is the hourly chart, and this triangle is also visible on the 4-hour chart as well. If I'll switch the chart to the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that we had a very long spike beyond this this support, and now the price action is breaking out this resistance. And as you know that the price action did not retest the EMA 21 weekly, and the price line went very close to this weekly EMA 21, and this exponential moving average 21 is not retested since after the month of September 2020. And here the price line only retest this EMA 10, and here the price action is also again retesting this EMA 10 once again, and went very close to this EMA 21. So it is possible that the price line will only retest the EMA 10 this time as well and move to the upside from here. However, this distance is now very close. We can see that this EMA 21 weekly is at $44,650, and the price action went up to $46,930 so far. So distance was very short. Now I want to show you this daily time frame chart. This is really very important. We can see that the price action was hitting a long spikes beyond this support of 50k, the $50,000, but we were not having any closing on the daily time frame chart below the $50,000. For example, if I'll place the mouse here, then you can see the closing price here, and here we had the long spike up to the $47,500, but the price action was closed at $51,125, and here we had the long spike up to $48,657, but the closing was above $50,000. And yesterday we had a long spike up to $46,930 just a few hours back, and now the price action, yes, this candlestick was closed below the $50,000, but in the next candlestick it is retesting this previous support as a resistance now, and it is moving above the $50,000. And if while retesting, for example, here, if we consider that in this candlestick, the previous candlestick, it has broken down this support of the $50,000, and now it is moving back to retest, and the previous resistance, previous support has been turned into the resistance now. And if the candlestick will be successful to re-enter above the area, the $50,000 level, then it can start a very powerful rally from here. And now I want to show you more important indicators and oscillators here. I have placed the stochastic oscillator here with the combination of the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. This is also the oscillator, and this is the same stochastic, and this is called the stochastic multi-time frame, free of cost, available at the TradingView. That gives you the signals, the buying signals. Depend if this oscillator enters in this oversold zone, then it gives the buying signal, and sometimes it works very well, especially in the bullish market. Like at this time you can see it is working very well whenever the price line is moving down. Here we can see that the price line even moved beyond the $50,000. The oscillator was oversold, but the RSI was not oversold at that time, and here we received the buying signal because it was giving us the signal that the stochastic oscillator is completely oversold, and it can be a very good buying opportunity from here. And we have seen that the price action rallied very well, and here the stochastic again entered in the oversold zone while the price line was at the support of $50,000 here. And then we have received a buying signal by the stochastic multi-time frame, but the RSI was still not oversold. This time the case is more strong because previously we have seen that the stochastic was oversold, but this RSI was not oversold. This time on the daily time frame chart, we can see that the RSI went very close to this oversold. The value of the RSI was 30.52, and on the 30 it is considered as a oversold, and now it has turned bullish, and we are also receiving a bull cross by the stochastic as well. Like whenever this blue line crosses up this red line, from that is considered as a buying signal, especially when we receive this signal from this oversold zone, and we have already received the buying signal by this multi-time frame. This is the same stochastic, just giving us the buying signal if we are having this stochastic in the oversold zone. On basis of that situation, it's giving us the buying signal. And we can see that whenever we have received this buying signal, at the same day we had a very powerful bullish candlestick, and those candlesticks were followed by the other bullish candlesticks, and we had a very good bullish rally to the upside. And here we have seen already this situation as well. When we received the buying signal, the stochastic was oversold. At that day we received a very powerful bullish candlestick, and now when we have received this buying signal, the stochastic is in the oversold, RSI is also in almost in the oversold. We are receiving such bullish candlestick. However, it depends on the closing of the candlestick. It can be only a spike as well, but if we will have a complete bullish candlestick like we had here and here as well, then it can be followed by the other bullish candlesticks as well, and then we can expect another bullish rally to the upside. So it depends on the closing of the candlestick. At this time, we can see on the 4-hour chart we are having a breakout, and if I'll turn it to the hourly time frame chart, then we are also having the breakout from this resistance of the triangle. But it can also possible that the price will be reversed to the downside before the closing. But once we will have the closing on the hourly time frame chart, I will be looking at the 4-hour time frame chart. We will have the closing above this resistance of the triangle, and if there will be a retest of the previous resistance as a support, then that will be the more powerful confirmation for this breakout. And on the daily time frame chart, if we will be closed above the 50,000 price level, then it will be a very powerful bullish sign that after breaking down and while retesting the previous resistance as a support of $50,000, the previous support as a resistance, the price action has broken out that resistance, and it can continue this rally. It depends on the closing of the candlestick. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me here at the Patreon, I am also sharing the different harmonic trading ideas here on the daily basis. Then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.